What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the 417 Saw Shop YouTube channel. So I've been super busy trying to expand the shop. I've had the flu, you know, we just come out of the holidays, yada yada, all kinds of crazy. So got the Portland back, did some tuning on her, did the muffler mod. It's got the screen and pretty clean actually turned out. So I'm gonna crank it up and we're gonna run it a little bit. I don't remember exactly which logs I cut last time, and honestly I don't feel like I'm going back and trying to find it because it's about 17 degrees. So yeah, we're gonna cut a few of the logs, and you know, I guess you can just use your best judgment and see if you think there's an improvement or not. So yeah, so we'll see how she runs. Good start. Definitely sounds okay. So just for reference, the first cut I did is white oak. The second cut I did is burnt red oak. Not that that makes any difference, but you know, just to clarify something really fast, I'm not the guy that, hey, look at my saw, how fast it is, cutting cookies in Douglas fir. There's too many variables. I think it's stupid. That's my personal opinion. A lot of people do it. Actually, most everybody does it. They build saws. They'll build something. They'll get out here and be like, oh man, watch this thing rip. And it's, you know, it's a 20-inch bar, 10-pin sprocket, and a Douglas fir. You know, and it's usually a 60, 70, 80 cc saw. Well, you know, they're all going to look fast in that, to be honest. However, where the magic comes in is, you know, can it cut hardwood? You know, the oaks, the locusts, you know, the harder woods. So anyway, that being said, I'm not the guy that's going to be out here showing you how fast this is. These are, when I cut, these are function tests to make sure everything works, to see how it cuts, you know, how it feels. Hopefully I have the engine dyno up, or the saw dyno up and going here for long. I finally got my sprocket. I just been super busy trying to expand the shop and all this before it gets even colder than it is. So I'm gonna make a couple more cuts. You can see what you think at the temperature. This is a stock chain that came on it. It was a safety chain. I've not touched it since last time. It was super dull out of the box, considering it was literally a brand new chain. Even though it wasn't an Oregon chain, I don't know excuse me, what quality of chain that they use, but I think a good aggressive filing would definitely help, or even a chain swap entirely. But anyway, a few more cuts. I'm gonna make this quick and short. Excuse me, I think I'm getting sick again, and it's cold out here. So anyway, just a few more cuts, see what you think about it. I think it's a definite improvement over stock, and hopefully here before long we'll be giving this saw away to someone that's a subscriber on the channel. I'd really like to get to 1,000 subscribers, because that's really the bare minimum that YouTube starts giving you any perks, if you call it that. So yeah, so that's kind of where I'm at. Actually, I'll take you over here and cut on a nice piece of white oak. It sort of really kind of show the potential with a super stock dull chain, but give you an idea. We'll cut on this piece a couple of times. This here is going to be firewood. It's not long enough for the meal. But anyway, all right, good thing the saw starts really easy, guys. You just So this chain is terrible. Extremely dull, not aggressive at all. It's super, super fine chips. I'll show you. You know, I'm no expert tree guy. Just take that for what it is. But these chips are just super fine. That tells me that chain is just not very aggressive for one, and it's not very sharp. Because it's not, the chips aren't chips, they're more powder. I guess because it's a safety kickback chain, something. Anyway, so I'm gonna buzz around a few more little places over here just to do some more testing with it. If you see the piece right there, that's actually a piece of magnolia. I'm gonna put it on the mill, but I'm gonna cut a knot off of it. I just wanna see what it looks like, just for the heck of it. Then I got like an old rotten piece kind of over in there. I'm gonna trim on, but I don't know, just to play with the saw, kind of see how it does. I need to burn the gas out so I can send it to whoever without gas in it anymore. Alright, just for kicks. Got a piece of pine laying here. Said I'd never do this, but you know, hey, it's for science, right? So watch how fast my saw is. so fast. That's I mean, you know, got some pretty big knots in there. Anyway, yeah, it's stupid, but it is what it is. Hey, thanks guys for stopping in. Appreciate you. There's a little gander of the shop expansion up there kind of going on, and all the craziness that goes on with that building in the winter. But anyway, so there's the Portland build, guys. I want to try to get to 1,000 or close by. We may give it away before then. It'll just be a random person picked. I'm not sure exactly how to do all that where it's fair, but I'll try to do some more research in there so everybody gets a fair shake. But anyway, so yeah, I think with a better chain, it'd be a good little saw for someone to, you know, just kind of throw in their side by side or throw in their tractor. You know, if something happens to it, it grows legs, walks off, or falls off and gets ran over, or hit by a bush hog, or whatever tends to happen to some of those deals. You know, well, I mean, you're not out anything, obviously, but you know, if you did buy one, you wouldn't be out a lot of money. You know, there again, it seems to crank real easy. I think it'd be good for a homeowner, just to have around for limbs and whatnot. So, all right, guys, I appreciate you. I'm gonna wrap this up. We're at about 12 minutes. I don't want to keep you any longer. Appreciate everybody. Stay tuned. We'll have some more cool stuff coming. Thank you.